code. So I'll just go through it by hand again. So raise button, child, need a text widget. So model string or model title. We'll name it model title. And so where's the make title? Okay. So we'll just name this uh, model title. We'll do choose model. So godly. Okay. So yeah. So after we choose the make, we want to. So well, it's basically the same thing, honestly. So every time we click on a I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so let's just show this real quick. So it'll be model title, and it's sees grayed out because it doesn't have on press yet. So, but really, we want it to be null anyways. If this dot model strings, which we don't have that yet, so need to add that equals 0. Uh, if it's 0, it's null. Else, we're gonna do whatever in that code. So, which is we're gonna show the model dialog. Um, so where's this code? I think I went a little too far. Yeah. So it'll be model strings right here. I didn't mean to do that, but yeah. So on pressed, it's the same code, show dialog. So I'll just go through it again. So show dialog takes the context, build context. I don't like it on one line, so you just end it with exclamation or a semicolon. So context, then builder takes also takes the context. So. And then you need to return whatever widget, so whatever screen. So make or model dialog. Need a semicolon there. So we need to pass model strings to this. So this dot model strings, and we also need to create the make callback, which we need just to show you. I'm just gonna do it like this, just so it's more clear. Um, so it returns a model string. So here, see, I didn't put the variable type, but yeah, put it right here just to make it more clear. So um, we'll print out also chosen model was model, and then we'll also do set state model title equals model. So yeah, save that. But it won't show anything now because we're not calling it, right? So oh yeah, that's also why that's not showing. So after we set state and make, after we get in the callback for in the make callback under set state, we'll call the fetch models. We'll pass the make to it. So the first variable is obviously the client, and then the make title. Or we could have passed value, but yeah. So fetch models, and so that will call fetch models. That will pull the models. and put more space in between. Okay. And yeah, right here. So we should put those on another class, but that's fine for now. So after we call fetch models, we'll do same thing we did in the init state. So then value, or we won't use value because yeah, let's do models, then models, which actually we need wrap this with another parentheses. So what is it tripping about? Oh, it doesn't need this. Okay, so we need that extra. Oh yeah, okay, I see. Cause that makes sense. Okay. Cause it goes right there. Okay. So do the same code. So first we need to get the results. So list of model results. So we'll name it model results. So we're being a little bit more clear. So models dot results. So for var model and model results, we'll do. So we'll just print it for now. Model is model dot. Oh yeah, you have to do it like this. So is it mod? What does that make? Oh yeah, okay. It'll have the make name. It returns the make name with it. So model dot model name, and then okay. So we'll just go ahead and add it to model strings too. Just, so model dot model name. So let's run that real quick. Save it and run it. So now choose a make. Toyota. Now it's getting the models of the Toyota and add them to model string. So which we need to call set state. Same problem we had earlier. So um, let's rerun that. So I choose trying to see. I don't know models like honestly like that. Trying to see one that I know the model of the make. So and we'll sort this. I'll show you in a minute. This is all out of order. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Toyota. Sure. See it after it did a pretty fast request. It was also on my computer, so I know Scion is a Toyota car and Toyota Highlander 4Runner RAV4. Probably heard of it before. So yeah, it makes RAV4 as the model now. So yeah, that's how you do that. So next will be adding a text input basically to show to input the VIN and auto populate the make and model. We'll put it above the make and model. So yeah. Okay. And actually I'll show you how to sort this real quick. So this make strings, right? So after we loop through it, we'll sort it make strings. It's really simple. Sort. That's all you do. And then also with model strings, after the for loop, model strings dot sort. So it'll sort alphabetically. If it's numbers, yeah, of course, sort of. It would be different if it's a number string, but yeah, just to show you. See, now it's alphabetical order. We might also add a search to this, so I'm not sure yet. I didn't choose one, so click Chevrolet, and then we'll choose Chevy Blazer. Yeah, see, they're all sorted now. So yeah. Next, let's make the VIN input text, so we can auto populate this make and model. So it will basically once you type in the VIN, it'll set these for you. It'll make the request automatically for you. So, and then after that, we'll do the barcode scanning. So it'll auto-populate everything. You scan the VIN. It'll auto-populate the VIN number and the VIN input. Auto-populate this Chevy text, or depending on what make and model is, auto-populate the make and model. So yeah, we'll do that next. So stay tuned. All right, thank you.